Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me this evening. I'm here in the studio in the evening. I'm filming a nighttime video. I don't normally shoot videos in the nighttime because I always kind of worry about my lighting setup and situation, and I never know if it's gonna look good or not, but I decided to just go for it. This video today is to show off my Your Creative Studio package that I was sent by Amanda from Your Creative Studio. And basically I'm just so excited to open it and do this unboxing that I couldn't wait until tomorrow during daylight hours. And also I'd like to film more nighttime videos, so I want to see how this goes. So anyways, Your Creative Studio, she told me that this is actually the December box, so to ignore the label here. So just know that this is the December box. Now, I'm super grateful to Amanda for sending me this to review. I actually have never been sent something to review and asked to make a video on it, besides my design team, or perhaps using digital designs from people who have sent me digitals to play with and whatnot. But to actually get a little stationery box is so much fun, and it's also just in time with all the sort of planner and traveler's notebook stuff I'm really getting into. So yeah, that's another thing. I just really couldn't wait to open it because I'd like to then maybe have a little journaling sesh tonight. Like I said, it's a nice rainy evening here, and there's nothing better than just being in my studio and playing with all these papers and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the unboxing. I have a little tool here just to slice this open and cut open anything that's inside, and also some scissors. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So what I know about Your Creative Studio is that it's a monthly subscription box, and there's a different theme every month. I follow Amanda and Your Creative Studio on Instagram, and I have seen other unboxings by other people. That is the most information that I have. That's my current knowledge of Your Creative Studio and what they have to offer. I believe she also sells her products individually too, so if you like something, you can just buy it individually if it's available on her site, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's move the candle over so we don't catch things on fire. Super nice packaging. This paper is so pretty. Definitely could just keep that and use that for journaling and collage. I love her little sticker here. I'm gonna just try to be neat here and pull it off. Okay. Oh, cute. All right. So let me fold this paper back. Let's see. Maybe I'll put something to weigh this down. The little top to my candle holder, or to my candle, I mean. Okay, so first thing I see is washi, and this little guy is stuck to it. This is another washi. Okay, let's open this one. 5mm wide, 7 meters long, I believe is what that means. Just a nice thin, let's see, little purpley, oh, lavender? It looks like lavender. I'll have to try this out, but I think it's little lavender leaves. Very pretty. Okay, let's open this little washi. So yeah, this looks like all stationery stuff. Definitely all stuff I can use in my both junk journals and traveler's notebook and everything. I like the way that there's all everything's individually packaged like this. This is very cute and very fun to unbox already. Oh, what a pretty washi. What is this? I'm not quite sure what this washi is, but we'll have to try it out. Okay, so we have another thick roll here. I'll have to do a little washi sample page in my journal. Okay, this is a cling stamp. Her labels are so nice. I like the little paper that she prints her little labels on. Oh, but kind of like how the Tim Holtz stamps are, like the foam cling, I think you want to call it. So this one is, okay, so it's like the little measuring tape, like sewing measuring tape. Very cute. Ooh, they're all tiny. Let's see. Let's save all these envelopes. What's this one? A little spool. Oh, and the bobbin. That is adorable. Where am I going to store these that I won't lose these in this studio? So cute. Okay, so we have the measuring tape, the bobbin, and the spool. Okay, let's set those aside. Okay, what's next? Oh, and I'm just realizing, like, there's a little sewing machine. Did this have... Oh, yeah. So it tells you what everything is. Ha! Pay attention, Gabriella. There's pictures of what is inside. So that shows the pictures of the stamps. So this cling stamp must be this here. And I'm assuming that that's also what this washi kind of corresponds to. Like the old school sewing machine. Oh, nice. Look at that guy. That's a good size. Very cute. I can't wait to see how these stamp. Alright, so I'm liking everything so far for sure. Stamps and washi that I would definitely use. And a little doily. How do I open you? Oh, that's pretty. I don't normally use stuff like this in my work, but I feel like I could find a use for this. I could, you know what? Hold on. Oh, how cute. There you go. It's a little coaster for my tea for now. Scissors. These are so pretty. Oh, I've been wanting a pair of like cute scissors to use like in my pictures and stuff. These are kind of perfect for that. Like, I mean, I would use them, but like also as a cute little prop, right? Like photo prop. Look at the little birds. These are, I've never seen these before. I mean, I've seen a bunch of different styles of these sort of like little sewing scissors, but I've never seen the birds. That is adorable. I love these scissors, and they're kind of sharp. Ooh. So cute. Oh, I can't wait to use these and also take pictures with these. Super cute. What's this? Note cards. Okay, let's get out my very sharp tool. Just says note cards. Okay. Checklist. Well, that's awesome. That could definitely be something to go in my planner. Make a little checklist of something. Oh, are they all different? Okay, no, so there's some of this checklist one. Okay, and then behind the checklist one is, oh, this. So cool. See, I don't have anything like this right now. So this would be fun to use for my my TN stuff. A little list. Nice. To-do list. Oh, this is so cool. I'm really excited about this one. I've actually been looking at little stationery things like this to start cutting and pasting or gluing into my weekly planner and stuff like that. So this is great. So excited to use this. It's a whole thick pad too. You'll have to excuse my voice. I'm sick again because we went to Disneyland last week, and I'm pretty sure that's where I got sick because that's the only thing that makes sense. So, oh, cool. Stickers. Look at that. This one's so pretty. Wow. Oh, the little shoe. Love these. Okay. These, and then what is this? I think this is more stickers. We have a little Paris sticker on the front, so that means I already love them. Yep. I feel so lucky that I got to unbox this pretty little set. This is all so great. I mean, everything so far is really cool. And all definitely stuff that I would use, so definitely enjoying this box. All right, so we have these little postal ones. Oh, I like these little French labels. California. Awesome. What's not to like here? These are all great. Oh, this is cool. Esther Brooks pens. Fun. I can't wait to use these. Okay, so lots of stickers. All these pages, and then this one. Look what I've unboxed so far. Washi, this, these stamps, scissors. What is this? Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at this little charm. Hold on. No way. That is adorable. My fingers have like yellow stuff on them because I was making something with turmeric earlier. I love that little charm. I feel like this is a good variety of stuff. I mean, you literally got scissors with this box. And then stamp stickers. Papers. Paper ephemera. Paper ephemera, okay. All sewing themed. So there's like a double of this one. It's probably doubles of all of these. Very cute. Oh, the scissors. Love that. A blank one. And they're like cardstock feeling, but not like super thick cardstock. So if you did want to put this like on your TN pages, which is like a lighter weight paper, I feel like you could, and it wouldn't add a whole lot of bulk at all. So that's nice. That's a pretty color too. And then some larger pieces. Let me put these down. Some larger pieces. So there's 3 of this one. Oh, so that's kind of nice too, because then you could exchange some of these or like give some in Happy Mail, you know, because you have extras. And this would be great in Happy Mails. I love the ones with the sewing machine. That is a really pretty graphic. And the roses and stuff. And then 3 of this one. So pretty. Just I love all the little damask designs and plants, sewing. Awesome. Sewing, botanical, vintage. So far so good. Okay, what's in this last package here? This is some more paper ephemera, I believe. Oh, that's pretty. I like these florals. So everything has like a cohesive kind of color palette too, which is nice. And like I said, I really like that you got some extras of some things you can share if you want to. These look like they might be all, yeah, I think you get individuals of these. Are these stickers? Hold on. Oh, it's a sticker. These are stickers. These big ones are stickers. So that is really fun too, because then you could cut some of these. Like if you even just wanted to use that as a sticker, you could just cut that out, you know, and then stick that in your journals really easy. You don't have to glue anything. I had no idea these were stickers until I kind of felt the paper, and it just, like, I know what sticker paper feels like, so this, I could tell it was a sticker. I'm sorry, am I not showing these? Here's this one. Here's this one. I like the little pins. And this nice one. So that looks like the end of the box. Amanda, thank you so much for allowing me to get a chance to unbox this box and sort of review all the contents of everything. I'm gonna definitely do a journaling session with this on camera, so I'll leave this video as just the unboxing, and then maybe my next video or so will be just a quick journaling session with these. And I think I already know like what stuff I want to use from here too. So yeah, thank you again, Amanda, for sending this to me. I really appreciate that you thought of me to send this to you into review. So far, everything's great. Thank you guys for joining me. Sorry you had to deal with kind of a froggy voice here. My throat hurts and I've been coughing, and I'm going to have to edit out so much coughing in this video. So, all right, I will see you guys in my next video when I sit down and have a little journaling sesh. So thanks for joining me this evening, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.